Have you ever wondered how to make a video story with animation using only Canva? In this video, we'll be transforming a simple story into an amazing 3D type animation using Canva's AI tools. Let's get started. To start the process off, we'll first go to ChatGPT. I have a prompt here asking for some story ideas. You could use Gemini or another AI, but I'm using ChatGPT. I asked it to give me 5 ideas for kids' stories. And it did, but they were all about animals, and I really wanted kids as the main characters. So I asked it to redo them, then it gave me 5 ideas with children as the main characters. This one, the one I'll be using today. The next thing I want to do is have ChatGPT generate 2 image prompts for each scene. So now that is done, and it's time to go to Canva and start turning these story prompts into actual images. Now I'm in Canva. Go to YouTube videos and open one up. Since my story has 5 scenes, I'll make 5 pages, 1 for each scene. Then go to Apps and look for Magic Media. Click on that. This is where I'll make my images. Normally, I make my images elsewhere, but for this video, I am going to do it in Canva. You can also make graphics or videos. Let's start here. So go back to ChatGPT and grab the prompt for scene 1. Take that back to Canva and paste it here. Now we get to choose a style. Click See All and choose 1. I'll pick Anime. Then choose the aspect ratio and click Generate. It will give you 4 images to choose from. It does cost credits to use this. Depending on what plan you're on, here is a breakdown for you. If you're on a free plan, you can use these features, but you have a limited number of uses. Generate again, if you need to. I'll choose this one and enlarge it. Now, the next step. If you click on these 3 dots, you can choose to generate a video from this image. Click on Generate Video. It'll take a few minutes. It's done, so drop it here. Okay, now let's go do the same thing for each of these other scenes. Now that we've made all our images and our videos, the next step is to add a narration. So go back to ChatGPT to the story. I'll use this as the narration for it. Now I am in ElevenLabs. It is the main tool I use for narrations. I will choose the voice I want first. Next, I'll paste in the text from ChatGPT and then hit Generate. Once completed, click on Download. Here, you can choose the voice you want to use inside ElevenLabs. Now click Generate, and then Download. Then go back here to add our narration. Make it a little louder, and then match each one to the scene. Split the audio as needed, since it is all one piece, and space it out. Right-click to make the split. I'll shrink these pages a little bit so they're closer to the actual length of the narration. Alright, so what else can we add? We can add transitions by clicking on this little thing here at the bottom. For the first one, I'll try Dissolve. Then I'll add a different for the others. If you wanted to add a caption, Canva doesn't really offer that, but I know an option we can try. I'll show you. So go to Text, add a heading, change the size, add effects, choose Animate, then choose Typewriter. Let's see how that works. Yeah, that'll work. So let's do this for the other slides. Let's tighten it up a bit. Since we added the transitions, it's changed things just a bit. So let's shift it as needed. Now, let's see what we have. Let's watch it together.
Ben discovers an old key in his backyard and wonders what it unlocks. He searches and finds a hidden door covered in vines. Unlocking the door, Ben steps into a secret garden filled with colorful flowers and tall trees. Ben spends the day playing and discovering new creatures like butterflies and birds. He realizes that exploring can lead to amazing discoveries, and every adventure starts with curiosity.
When you're happy with everything and you want to download it, just go to File, Download, choose MP4. Click Download. Now you can upload it to social media, your website, YouTube, or wherever you're going to publish it. So now that you know the process, what will you create? If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.